Welcome to Beautyistic, where we give you the honest, no-nonsense reviews you need to make informed beauty decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at something a bit different, but still essential to your beauty and health routine: the Oral-B Pro Clean CrossAction toothbrushes. We all know how important brushing is, but let's face it, sometimes it feels like our toothbrushes just don't get deep enough. That's where this product promises to step in. But does it really do what it says? Stick around as we break it down. The Oral-B Pro Clean CrossAction toothbrushes come in a convenient 6-pack, designed to give you that deep clean you're after. The unique bristles are engineered to reach deep between teeth, helping to remove plaque more effectively than your typical manual toothbrush. The brush's power tip bristles are specifically designed to clean even those tricky areas behind your teeth. Not only that, but it also has a tongue and cheek cleaner, which tackles the odor-causing bacteria that can linger in your mouth. Now, let's talk about how it performs in real life. I've used these toothbrushes consistently in my morning and evening routine, and I've got to say, I'm impressed with how they feel. The bristles are soft, so they're gentle on the gums, yet still give a thorough clean. The design itself is ergonomic, so it's easy to hold and maneuver around all areas of your mouth, even the back teeth. I'll admit, I've always been a bit skeptical of toothbrushes claiming to get plaque out from between my teeth, but I've noticed a significant difference in how fresh my mouth feels after using these. One of the standout features here is the tongue and cheek cleaner. I've never really paid much attention to that area before, but after using it, my mouth feels cleaner longer, and I no longer get that lingering bad breath feel. It's a subtle yet effective touch that adds to the overall experience. As far as pros go, I love how thorough this toothbrush feels. The soft bristles are perfect for those with sensitive gums, and the precision of the power tip bristles is a definite game changer. The tongue cleaner is also a nice bonus. The packaging is simple but sturdy, and it's a great value, especially since you're getting 6 toothbrushes in the pack. On the flip side, the only downside is that it's a manual brush, which means you don't get the convenience of an electric brush with built-in timers or multiple brushing modes. However, that's not a deal breaker if you're just looking for a solid, effective manual toothbrush. If you're someone who loves the idea of a fully automated experience, this might not be for you. So let's talk value for money. At first glance, it seems like a pretty affordable option for a high-quality toothbrush. Considering the fact that it reaches deeper and has that extra feature with the tongue cleaner, it's priced quite well for what it offers. The pack of 6 gives you long-term value, especially if you swap out your toothbrushes every few months. Now let's compare this to some other options on the market. There are similar toothbrushes out there, but not all of them offer that deep plaque removal or tongue cleaner in the same way. Some electric toothbrushes do a great job of plaque removal, but they tend to be on the pricier side. So if you're looking for something budget-friendly that still offers a solid cleaning performance, the Oral-B Pro Clean CrossAction toothbrush is definitely a contender. When it comes to build quality, these toothbrushes feel sturdy and durable. The bristles hold up well over time without getting splayed out too quickly, and the design of the brush itself feels comfortable to hold. The packaging, though simple, ensures that each brush is individually sealed and hygienic. As for how long the product lasts, you'll need to replace your brush every 3 months, which is pretty standard for any manual toothbrush. But if you're looking for longevity, it delivers in terms of consistent performance throughout that time frame. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't needed to contact customer support for these, but Oral-B has a solid reputation for handling customer inquiries with good responsiveness. So if you do have any issues, you can expect reliable service. As for updates, nothing has changed recently for this product, so there's no need to worry about any new reformulations or packaging changes here. If you're on the hunt for a more budget-friendly alternative, you could go for a similar manual toothbrush from a brand like Colgate or Sensodyne. However, keep in mind that those may not offer the same deep plaque removal or the tongue cleaner feature. You'll find good options, but they may not quite stack up to the Oral-B Pro Clean CrossAction. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a reliable, gentle, and effective manual toothbrush that goes above and beyond with plaque removal and even includes a tongue cleaner, the Oral-B Pro Clean CrossAction is a solid choice. It's definitely well suited for anyone looking for a thorough daily clean without the need for an electric toothbrush. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And don't forget, the link to purchase is right in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.